example would be like this. Okay, what if the a is greater than 1? Okay, the first thing that we need to do here is basically to identify a, which is 2, b, which is -4, c is, sige, no? Si 1 ay hindi pa naka, ito yung equation na ito, hindi naka-standard form. Ilipat natin sa kabila. Now, we have -1. Okay? So, what else? Next is, we need to find the sum of the two roots. Root 1 plus root 2 is equal to -b over a. Okay? So, negative b, or negative here, yung b natin is -4, this one, over a, which is +2. Okay? So, negative times negative, we have positive. 4 divided by 2, that is going to be 2. The sum of the two roots is +2. Now, the root 1, or the product of the two roots, would be like this. Okay, so we have c over a. So, our c here is -1 over a, that is +2. Then, our final output would be -1. Okay? So, the product would be -1/2. So, you can think of a two numbers, no? Two roots na kapag pinag-add ay +2. Kapag pinag-multiply ay -1/2. Okay? So, you can use quadratic formula if you want to, no? Para makita ninyo yan, yung output dyan. Okay? Kung ano yung dalawang roots. And you can verify kung pa itong ginawa natin example. Okay? So, the next one, or this is your turn. No? Actually, from the previous example that I gave you, I want you to use those following information to answer this particular two examples. Okay? So, you can check if you want to the validity of your solution. Okay, so as we continue for our second example, we